Did you know that when you apply for a job, there's a good chance a human won't even open your resume file? Instead, companies use an ATS, or Applicant Tracking System. This ATS scans every resume and organizes it for the recruiter. They then filter all applicants by keywords to find the best matches. If your resume isn't formatted correctly, the system can't read it and you're instantly filtered out. Today, I'm going to show you how to beat the system using nothing but Google Docs. Here are the most common mistakes that make your resume invisible to an ATS. Mistake number 1, multi-column layouts. Columns often scramble your resume's information, leading to your job experiences not being entered into the system. Mistake number 2, using creative section headings. An ATS is a robot looking for standard terms. If you use My Journey instead of Work Experience, the system might not understand it and your information gets lost. And the most important mistake of all, not using keywords from the job posting. The entire point of the ATS is for recruiters to search for requirements like project management or data analysis. If those exact words aren't in your resume, you simply will not show up in their search results.
The good news is, you do not need to pay for a fancy resume template. You can make a clean and perfect resume right in Google Docs using a resume template. Here's what to do. In Google Docs, go to File, select New, and then click From Template Gallery. This opens up many options. We are going to use the template called Resume Spearmint. It's perfect for ATS systems. Click on it to create a new copy.
Before we fill it out, let's look at the job posting first. The company is looking for a digital marketing specialist. We've highlighted the essential keywords like digital marketing campaigns, SEO optimization, and social media management. You'll want to include as many as possible in your resume. Here, I will show you how our ATS-optimized resume looks. Notice how we've integrated those keywords into the skills and experience sections. And here's a crucial pro tip. Copy the exact job title from the posting, like Digital Marketing Specialist, and place it into your resume. This creates an immediate top-level match for the ATS. Of course, you won't be able to match all the keywords of the job posting, but my advice is to try to find as many as possible and mostly write about those in your resume. The goal is to get invited to your interview. If you have more skills and related experience in other fields, that is the time to bring them forward and convince your interviewers. Remember that your resume is to get your foot into the door, and you should make it as easy for the recruiters as possible to get the invite. By keeping it simple and avoiding these common mistakes when optimizing for ATS systems, you will significantly increase your chances of being invited to an interview. We wish this tutorial helped with your application. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.